Hello, in this video I will show you how to change the language on YouTube. So you need to go to your YouTube channel. Here, when is your profile picture, click on it. As you can see, it's in different language. You can see here in Polish language. So we need to change to another language. I want to change to English, or you can change to any language you want. You just go to this symbol, this one, this symbol, you just click on it. You see the language, click here and you'll be loaded with all the languages, and you can choose the language you want to change your YouTube channel or any YouTube channel. So I changed to English, United Kingdom. Click on it. Now it's changed to English. You just go to profile picture here, right top right side, and then to this one, and you can change from British English to other languages. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.